Good morning, everyone. It's Friday, July 21st. I'm not sure where you were last night between 5 and 7 o'clock when we had that amazing storm come through with the torrential rains, the high winds, the lightning, the thunder, and even some hail. My wife and I happened to be traveling through towards Stratford together with her sister who's visiting us for a week and going to see one of the shows in Stratford. And wow, it was a deluge, absolutely. There's something about that torrential rain falling down that reminds me of the amazing amount that God gives to those who ask. I know sometimes we say, God, we need water, and God sends much more than what we need. We need bread, and He gives an abundance of what we need. God is our Heavenly Father, and He cares about us, and He desires to give us all those things that we need. And so our natural response hopefully would be that we would give Him praise, that we'd give Him thanksgiving, that we would give Him worship. In Romans chapter 12, verse 1, it says, "And so, dear brothers and sisters, I plead with you to give your bodies to God because of all that He has done for you. Let them be," in other words, let your bodies be living and holy sacrifices, the kind He will find acceptable. For this is the way that we worship Him. You know, I was brought up in a day and age that if there was someone who opened the door for you, you said thank you. If there's someone who picked up some change that you happened to drop on the floor and gave it back to you, you said thank you. If there's someone who gave you a gift, whether it be for a birthday or Christmas or whenever, you said thank you. If someone did something good for you, I was taught to say thank you. Now, in a same kind of way, God has done so much for us. How can we not be people of thanksgiving? How can we not be people of praise and of worship, giving back to God a part of the wealth of which He has given to us? So that's part of what worship is. When we offer ourselves as living sacrifices, we're saying, God, you have given so much for me. How can I do any less but give my full self over to you in worship, in praise, in living out my life as a thanksgiving offering to you. I hope that's an encouragement for you today. God bless you, church. Have a wonderful weekend.